guys, and welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. Welcome, my name is Aiden. I'm so happy that you're here. If I look a little tired, it's because this is at the end of a teaching day. So yeah, been running around campus and all of that for today, but I wanted to get a video up for Saturday because one, I didn't have a video filmed for Saturday, and two, in just under a week, the Sephora VIB sale starts, and I'm so excited about it. So in case you don't know, Sephora does a sale every year where they do 10% off Beauty Insider, they do 15% off for VIB, and then VIB Rouge, which is what I am, gets 20% off. I always look forward to it. I know a lot of other people do as well. So it starts the 28th for Rouge. It starts the 1st for Insiders, or for VIB, and then for Insiders it starts on the 3rd, and it goes through the 7th of November. They also are doing from the 28th through the 7th 30% off of all Sephora collection. So what does that mean? That means that there's going to be a lot of deals going on. It's a good time to pick up essentials, things that you know you're going to be using, also holiday sets. So I'm going to, one, I have a haul for you. I did get a friends and family discount earlier in, I guess it was in September actually, and then it got here in October. And then, so I have that haul. I have a couple sets that are from Kohl's, which I think are very important to know about. And then I'm going to go through my loves list and kind of let you know what I'm looking at, what I'm hoping to pick up, and kind of what I'm thinking. So you can leave me suggestions whether you think that those are good or not. And a couple that I was going to get, but I think I'm going to wait on and maybe not get at all. Before I start showing you what I have purchased and what I'm hoping to purchase, don't forget to like and subscribe because those things really do help out YouTubers. And then let me know what you are planning to pick up in the sale. Let me know if you want to let me know what level you are. Let me know that down below, but let me know what you're planning to purchase or what you would love. Like what's this fantasy item? If money was no object, what would you pick? So let's get right into it. I'm going to start with the sets from Kohl's because these are awesome sets. I just picked them up because they were doing 4 times the points for VIB Rouge with purchases, although Sephora collection is supposed to be 5 times points. I'm not really sure if the Sephora favorite sets count as Sephora collection or not. Some people think they do, some people think they don't. So I don't know. I don't get my points for a while afterwards. It was weird. I took screenshots, so I make sure I get my points. The first set I picked up is this one. This is the holiday lip kit. As you can see, this one is $32. You get 2 full-size products in here, and then you have 2 minis. I did already slit them open so that it made it easier to open. So that's what it looks like. You have a full-size gloss from Rare Beauty, and this is in the shade Nearly Neutral. And then you have the Milk Makeup. This is just a clear one. This is Pumped. It's a electric glossy lip plumper. And then we have the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip in Rose. I love these. I've gone through 2 minis of these. I've gone through 2 or 3 full sizes. I love them. They're like my favorite thing. And then you have this guy. This is the Afterglow Lip Shine and Orgasm, because obviously you can't be NARS if you don't have that one shade. These are really nice, I think, all of these, and I'm excited to try them. I've tried this formula before, I'm pretty sure, and it was oh no, this is a different formula. I think I'm going to like this one. Oh yeah, this one I'm going to like much better than the formula I've had from NARS in the past. I used that one up earlier this year. I love these. You have to be careful with them though, because they are very soft, so I wouldn't push them up too much. It's just a sheer kind of wash of color. They feel so good on the lips though. They're amazing. I love them. This is the one I'm most curious about though, is the Rare Beauty. Oh, weird. Okay, so it is flat on this side, but it's rounded. So like it will lay flat, but it's still, that's so weird. I don't know if I like this packaging or not. Like it's just a little too weird. This looks very brown. I'm hoping it does not show up that brown on, no, it's not as bad. So, yeah, we'll see. I'm not sure. That one, the full size that I tried to get this for might not be for me. And then we have the one from Milk, and yeah, it's just very clear, glossy. It doesn't really smell. Oh my gosh, I just stuck it on my face. So we'll see. Anyway, I thought for $32, this was a pretty good set. And these were better pieces for me than the full-size set that they have at Sephora. That's quite a bit more. The other set that I picked up is another Sephora favorite set. And this is the holiday must-haves. This one is $34. As you can see, you get a few items in here. I'm very excited about this one. Actually, this had some things that I really wanted in here, and I was really glad to have the smaller one because the other one, a lot of the value, that's like $54. There are additional things. The all-nighter setting spray I would have used, but I do have those and I do purchase those on the regular. I'm not going to be using a clear brow gel that's like in a pot that I have to have a spoolie and do all that. I'm not going to mess with that. I just know me. And then there's the Paula's Choice exfoliator, and that's yeah, and I don't really need that. I already have 2 or 3 bottles of that I haven't even used. So this is what I wanted. I wanted the little mini palette. I know it's stupid. I have the retro palette, but this one just looked really nice. And I feel like this is like the perfect eye look. The blush, I was really excited to get another one of these little blushes from Rare Beauty. I love the Fenty Gloss Bombs, so I wanted that. Mascara. So I brought mascaras with me. I left most of them at my parents' because I didn't want to mess with a lot of stuff. I have been having reactions to the one that I've used before that I haven't had issues with before, but like my eyes are getting itchy and like it's flaking all over the place. I'm trying another one. Like, I don't even know if you can tell I have mascara on today because it's just so hard to get it on my lashes. It just doesn't want to go on. So there's that one. So I'm excited to try a new one because I had some fails, and I'm hoping that this one is good, that I can get me through the end of the year. The only thing I know I won't be using is the Grande Lash Serum, and yeah, that's just not something that I really go for, but that is included in here as well. I'm going to swatch the things that have color. I'm not going to swatch the mascara, obviously. So here is the Gloss Bomb. This is in Fenty Glow. I'm pretty sure I've used one in this shade before, and as you can see, like, it has a lot more. They smell so good. They have like this pineapple-y type scent to them. I really like them anyway. Then let's do the blush. We're just going to do a teeny tiny dot because this stuff is intense. It doesn't look quite the same as I thought it did in the pictures. I was a little worried that it was going to be more red. It looked, see, like, look at how red it looks. And it's, there you go. It's much more muted in real life, I feel. So that really does help with that. So there it is there. That's a lot of blush. And that was just one teeny tiny dot. I probably would use this with a beauty blender though, so that it would, you know, take up a little bit of that blush. All right, last thing that I'm going to swatch in here is this mini retro palette, baby retro palette. Man, that didn't even want to come out. So there are 3 shades in there. Oh, they're so pretty. I love my retro palette. I have the mini retro, which I do like that one as well. They're very different palettes, I feel. Okay, that first one did not swatch too well. Let's double swatch that. Let's see if we can build that up. Okay, it's a little patchy. I mean, it doesn't feel not nearly as nice as the other 2. So that's a little disappointing, actually. We're going to try it. We'll try it out this weekend and see how it does. The rest of the items in here are all ones that I purchased during the Friends and Family event. So I purchased these directly from Sephora, unlike Sephora and Kohl's. And unfortunately, Sephora and Kohl's doesn't give you samples when you order online, which was a little disappointing. And none of my stores have Sephora and Kohl's. I know I was told at Christmas, over the holidays, that we would be getting some where I live by like Thanksgiving of this year, but they haven't even started construction or anything. We still have jewelry counters and stuff. So I think that's going to be pushed back to at least next year at some point because, yeah, there's no move towards it at my Kohl's at all. So I have to order online. Anyway, let's look at what I got. I just realized I have one thing that I don't have in my office to film. I've been using this and I forgot to, well, I wasn't planning to film this today, actually. I was going to film my Ipsy and Macy's unboxings, but my Ipsy bag didn't come before I left the house. So I bought the Too Faced Secret Santa palette. I've really enjoyed this. I really like the colors for the most part. The black isn't my favorite. Like, that's not one that I super like, but I've been really impressed with how they go on and how they stay. It's like really good old school formula of Too Faced. So I've really enjoyed it. That's what the colors look like. But yes, I've been really enjoying this palette. And yeah, when I was not liking one of my 444 palettes, I broke this one out and was using it instead. The other thing that I got, and then the rest is all like perfume related, I picked up the Farmacy Green Clean Trio because I got this last year and I really enjoyed it. And I just like the limited scents because they're fun. So this one has Pear Punch, Blueberry Burst, and Tangerine Twist. When you pull them out, you do have the box, which is recyclable, which is awesome. And then you have the 3 in here. And in the back, they have one of the little spatulas, which they didn't do last year, I'm pretty sure. These are all 1.7 fluid ounces or 50 mil. We're going to start with blueberry. Okay, this definitely smells like fresh blueberries. That's very nice. Let's smell the Pear Punch next. So Blueberry Burst, Pear Punch. They're all doing alliterations. I know my allergies are acting up, so I'm a little stuffed up because every time I go outside, I get stuffed up. But this one I can't really smell at all. Maybe I'll be able to smell it more when I'm like working with it. I don't need these yet, so I'm not going to stick my fingers in them or anything. But that one was kind of a disappointment. And then we have Tangerine Twist. Yeah, this one smells orangey. It smells really nice, actually. I'm very excited to use these in the upcoming months. So yeah, that one was a fun one to get. This one was $46, which is supposed to be a $72 value. I feel like it was cheaper last year. I feel like it was $2 cheaper last year, like $44. But inflation is making everything go up. And then the palette was $29, the mini palette from Too Faced. Okay, I got 2 samples because I just like showing my samples. I got the Amika Normcore Signature Shampoo and Conditioner. And then I got this from Nest, which I'm not really sure what it is. It is the Moroccan Amber Scent Stick. So I'm sure that they have instructions on. I just don't feel like reading it right now. So that is the other thing that I picked up as a free sample. With the 20% off, you couldn't redeem for any of the, the little offers that they have. So there's that. I am already behind on doing scent discovery videos, but I picked up more because that's just who I am. So I picked up this one from Bon Parfumeur. I really wanted this. This one has been going in and out of stock on Sephora a lot, so I was very excited to be able to pick it up. This is 001, 103, 203, 402, 501, and, oh my gosh, 801. So let me tell you what the scents are. 001 is Orange Blossom, Petitgrain, and Bergamot, a refreshing cologne. 103 is Tiare Flower, Jasmine, and Hibiscus, a sun-drenched flower. 203 is Raspberry, Vanilla, and Blackberry, a red hot berry. That's the one I'm really looking forward to. Then we have 402, which is Vanilla, Coffee, Toffee, and Sandalwood, a caressing of vanilla. That also sounds really nice. Then we have 501, Praline, Licorice, and Patchouli, a delicious praline. Interesting. I'm not sure if this is for me or not. And then 801 is Sea Spray, Cedar, and Grapefruit, a briny freshness. Looking forward to trying all of these. I really want to get the watermelon one too. It wasn't included in that set though, unfortunately. Then I picked up this one from 7 Virtues. This one is kind of cute. So it opens up like that. And then inside, you also have the perfumes. I like that they have some colorful packaging and it looks pretty. So what you get in here, other than the one that's now on the floor, is Vanilla Woods, Santal, Vanille, Blackberry Lily, Jasmine, Neroli, Patchouli Citrus, Rose Amber, and Lotus Pear. I want Lotus Pear. That's one that's on my list. So let me tell you, Vanilla Woods is supposed to be warm, sweet gourmands. Santal Vanille is warm and spicy. Blackberry Lily is fruity, warm gourmands. I do have that one in a rollerball. I wish they had sprays instead of rollerballs. Just saying. Jasmine Neroli is a powdery floral. Patchouli Citrus is a fresh floral. Rose Amber is a warm floral. And Lotus Pear is a fruity floral. So that is the second set that I got. These were all like $25 or so for the discovery sets. Then I picked up PHLUR. I've heard some good things about PHLUR. Thought, you know what, might as well try it this way, see what it's all about. So you do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in here. We have Almaline, which is Italian bergamot, rose, pink pepper, patchouli, and sandalwood. Apricot Privé, which is apricot, plum, and cardamom. Jasmine Absolute Peony, agarwood, tonka bean, sandalwood, and labdanum. This, I do have that one in a travel spray. I picked it up earlier when I had a sale in August, I think. But so I do have a repeat there, but I wanted to try some of the other ones. And this wasn't in stock when I ordered the other one. Then we have Not Your Baby, which is cardamom, bergamot, mimosa, violet, vanilla milk, sandalwood, tonka beans. Lost Cause is Italian bergamot, cassis leaves, crisp apple, rhubarb, fresh freesia, jasmine, lily of the valley, mate, absolute, orris concentrate, vanilla orchid. Then Floria, bergamot, lemon, wet greens, cyclamen, ylang. I guess it's just ylang. Is that different than ylang ylang? I don't know. Gardenia, jasmine, sambac absolute, tuberose, vanilla, skin musk, sandalwood, ambrox, cedarwood. And then finally Missing Person, which is skin musk, bergamot nectar, sheer jasmine, fresh cyclamen, neroli blossom, orange flower, sandalwood Australia oil, blonde wood, and white musk. So lots in there. Excited to try this. And the final thing that I purchased, and then we'll get into the wish list, is this set. This is the Sephora Favorites Best of Vanilla. Sample your way to a full-size travel spray or rollerball. This was $25 in here. You do get several samples. You also get a scent certificate that tells you about all of the things. I don't know why I'm covering up like you could see it, but you do have your choice in here. So your choices are by Rosie Jane, Dolce Perfume Oil, Vanilla or Floral Street Wild Vanilla Orchid, Juliet Has a Gun Parfums Vanilla Vibes, Nest New York Madagascar Vanilla Perfume Oil, and then Skylar Vanilla Sky. So I wanted this set for a couple reasons. Like, I know Vanilla Vibes and I just don't mesh, so that one is not going to be happening, and I already have a full size of it. But I really was interested in trying Dolce by Rosie Jane because that is a good house. I have a couple scents from them that are nice. But I thought, you know, if worst comes to worst, the vanilla, Madagascar vanilla from Nest is one that I know I like. And then I also like Skylar's Vanilla Sky. I wouldn't want to pay full price for it though, because it doesn't last like at all. I'm not sure how I feel about Wild Vanilla Orchid, so having an extra one of that is nice. So 4 out of the 5 I was kind of interested in at least trying. There's only one that I knew that I didn't like and I wouldn't use. So that was my reasoning behind this. Let me know what you are planning to get. Well, let me know what's on your wish list, what's on your love list. If there's something that you think I need to add, let me know that down below. I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to talk to you next time. Bye.